Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we'll learn how to install the latest version of PHP in Windows 11 machine. So let's start. Open your favorite browser. I am on Chrome. So type here PHP. So the first website is php.net. This is the official website of PHP. Open this site and from top go to downloads. So now here we have here the current stable version PHP 8.4.7. So it's released on 8th of May. So we will go for the Windows download. And from here, we'll go for the thread save version and click on zip. So to download it, go to the download folder. Now create a new folder. Corporate 7. Now extract this. Here. Just delete the zip and go downloads. Cut this and go to your C drive. Now you have to paste here. So you can see we have 8.4.1, 8.4.2, 8.4.5. Now we have 8.4.7. Now open this and copy this part and go to env, environment variables. Open this, click on environment variables, and from here, click on new and paste the copied path here. Click on OK, OK, and OK. Open CMD or bash and type here php-v. So you can see we have the current version PHP 8.4.7. So let's try our first program. Created a folder, and inside that I have created a file index.php. I'm opening this in Notepad and type here opening brackets echo hello world. Save this and we'll run this now. PHP hyphen capital S local host 500. Open your browser and type here localhost 8000 and go to hello world. Okay, so we missed X in the index name. So this is our first program ready. So good luck guys. If you have any curious question, feel free to comment below, subscribe the channel, like the video.